All right, so essentially, so far we have talked about the other parts of our on-demand advertising marketing center, which is listing promotion to bring your listings to the top of searches in your market, brand promotion, which is a way to create your own personal brand advertisement on our site. And the third option we just talked about, which was our Google Display Network. So the fourth option that we're talking about in this video is our email blast packages. So email blast packages came from a feature that we added last year, which is called It's a Blast feature. So the It's a Blast feature, essentially, it allows you to send out a listing to your entire proprietary marketing list. So as you can see here, MailChimp says that on average you yield $38 for every dollar you spend on email. So that's obviously a huge return on investment. Because of this fact, we thought, plenty of people are already paying for a Constant Contact or for MailChimp, which is great. They're great services. However, if you don't want to pay for one of the more premium fancy services and you want to just have your own email feature, you can use QuantumListing's It's a Blast email feature, which we think is just as great as the other companies. So this is also included in membership, which is important to know. All people can send emails using their own proprietary list of contacts through Quantum Listing. All you need is to upload an XLS file of email addresses. And again, because this is proprietary, we will not take those emails. So do not worry about any privacy issues. We'll show you on the site how to do this, but we also want to talk to you about our new email blast packages. So this takes the It's a Blast feature and basically takes it up a notch by allowing us to use your listing and send it to our marketing list so that you get new prospects and your listing gets seen by people who it's not normally seen by. So I don't know about you guys, but for us, we generally have an email list and we send people emails every week. Every time that we update our list, we see phenomenal open rate improvements. And for this reason is that when someone hasn't been getting your emails and then all of a sudden they do, they're a little bit more interested. They're like, what's Quantum Listing? So the same would go for your listing. So for example, if we were to take this New City, New York listing, and we were to then send it to a few thousand of our Quantum Listing contacts, these are people who wouldn't normally be getting emails from you. We expect high open rates, and high open rates means more click-throughs, and more click-throughs means, you guessed it, more leads. And inevitably, that's what we want. So I will give you a live demo to show you how this works. It's super, super easy. First, what I'll do is I will go to our site and show you how to send an It's a Blast email. So I'm going to do that same listing that we just showed here. So let's see, it's New City. Let's see if that listing is still on the market. If it's not, we'll do a different one. Oops, not on the market. David sold that one. Good job, David. All right, we'll click this Chappaqua, New York one. We like Chappaqua, which is where our founder, David, lived until last year. Okay, so all you have to do is when you click on the listing, you're going to click this red share button. And just an FYI, you'll see the same button on your profile page, but anytime you're on any website and you see that red, it's not always red actually, but if you see this little button with the 3 dots connected by 2 lines, that almost always means share. So you can share to Twitter, you can share to Facebook, you can share to LinkedIn, but we're going to talk about email in this video. So when you click email, you can do a couple of things. First and foremost, you can write that this is the subject of your email. You can add a message. And then you can type in a couple of email addresses and separate them by commas. Or you can actually upload a CSV or an XLSX file. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'll show you how easy it is. So I'm creating this XLXS file right now. And you can see here I'm typing in my email address, and I'm going to type in David's email address, and all I'm going to do is click save. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the site, and I'm going to erase these emails because I'm uploading a CSV, and I'm going to click add file. Then I'm going to find the file, which says 513 at 12-6-2020. You can see that's exactly when this is. I'm going to click open, which just is the way you add an attachment. And I'm going to go ahead and click send. And that's how easy it is. I'm going to give it a second, and then I'm going to check my email. And you can see that this email already has come through at 5:14. So that's pretty impressive. This is what the email will look like. So you can see we have our own template for you. And then you can click view listing, and we can go directly to the listing. The second form of the email packages that I talked about earlier uses this feature, but as I said, it's with our list of contacts. So basically what we will do is you can go to your marketing center, which we've been showing you throughout these emails, or throughout these videos rather, sorry. Emails are on my mind clearly. And you can click on the marketing center. You actually can click it here too. So you can click payments and marketing center. We're going to move our way over to email blasts. And all you do is select the package. So it's really important to know you get one free email blast with your Quantum Listing premium membership. So if you haven't already taken advantage of that, it's really, really, really easy, and we highly recommend it. If you are not a premium member, you can renew your membership just by going to your profile page and clicking this button underneath the Payments and Marketing Center. And again, all you do is select email blast. I'm going to just do one blast, and I think I've mentioned this in other videos, and David has too, but something about Quantum Listing is that most of our on-demand marketing center, actually all of our on-demand marketing center, there's no commitment, so you can try something, but you don't have to commit to it. You can just try it once, see how it goes. So all I'll do here is I'm going to choose a listing. I don't have listings, so but you'll see how easy it is when you type in your listing title. I'll select it and then click create order, which I'm not going to create the order, but it's very, very easy to do. We really recommend it. We've seen big results, and we recommend you give it a try. And if you have any questions, you can always schedule a demo, or you can contact us, Julia at QuantumListing.com, or you can contact David at QuantumListing.com. Here is the contact information for us. There's support at Quantum Listing. We have a lot of email addresses at QuantumListing.com, but really if you do David at Quantum Listing, support at Quantum Listing, or Julia at Quantum Listing, you'll get through to us. We'll get back to you as soon as you can. You can also call this phone number on the screen, 844-QL1-LIST. You can use the intercom from our site, which is this button in the bottom right. You can use the schedule a demo button, or you can click the how it works section, and you can search email blast and learn about how to send an email blast. So it's really that easy, but we're here to help you, and we are wishing for your success. So have a great rest of your day, and thanks for your